How to change the appearance of the caller information that appears on your display while in a call. This is for Samsung A16 phones with Android 15. To make changes to this settings, go into the phone dialer app right here. And once you're here, this is the Samsung dialer app. You'll go to the three dots up here and go to settings. Once there now, you'll see caller information. And within this caller information section, you can choose to change the size of the picture profile for that person that you're talking to small or large. You also have the ability to show the number of that person or don't show. And you also got the extra details, which would be the time in the current call. You can turn that on and off. Now, you also have this other section when you come out of here, you can go to the call display while using apps. So this here is another setting which you can see how the incoming call will look like, whether it's full screen, that'll take up your entire display, whether in the lock screen or on the home screen or in the middle of an app, it's going to take over your full display. Or you can have it set to a small pop-up or a tiny little pop-up like this one here that'll appear when you have that incoming call. And if you want these two to stay, whether you have it on this one or that one, turn this on so that it can stay in this pop-up so that you can know you're currently in a call at the moment. And that is that, like and sub.